Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sing channel. Today I came with Krishnastami special beautiful peacock feather hair clip. Without delay, let's get started. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 1 inch and length 8 centimeters. Here I am making the flower with 3 layers, where first layer with 3 petals, second layer with 5 petals and third layer with 7 petals. Total we need 3 plus 5 plus 7, total 15 petals. For that here I am taking 15 ribbon pieces. As shown here, give a heat touch up to the edges of all the ribbons. First here I am showing flower with 5 petals. Arrange the ribbon pieces as shown in the video. Here using the clips is optional, no need to use it. Without using the clips, you can directly give hand stitch. For quick understanding purpose, I am using the clips. For the third layer flower, do the same process with 7 ribbon pieces. Now take the needle along with thread and give a running stitch for the 5 petal flower as shown here. Continue this running stitch until you reaches the starting point of the stitching. As shown in the video, trim out the corners. Give a heat touch up to the cutter edges. As shown here, pull the thread to get the flower shape. After completion of gathering, give a secure knot. and trim the extra thread. Now 5 petal flower is ready. I am already done with 3 petal flower. Similarly do the flower with 7 petals. Now with the help of glue gun or glue, place the ornamental stone in the 3 petal flower as shown in the video. Now join all the petal flower. Now take the round canvas piece to stick at the bottom of the flower. To make the leaf, take the green ribbon piece which is having the width 1 inch and length 7 centimeters. Here I am taking 2 ribbon pieces. As shown in the video, arrange the 2 ribbon pieces one over the other and cut out the edges. Now join the cut edges by giving heat touch up as shown here. With the help of scissor, give a curved cut to get the perfect leaf shape. After completion of cutting, open the fold and give a heat touch up as shown here. If you want to try with another type of flower, you can visit our videos. To create the impressions on the leaf, do the process as shown in the video. This is the optional part. If you don't want, you can skip it. If you like our video, please like it. Now leaf part is ready. Now take the alligator clip and take the canvas piece which is having the width of alligator clip. Apply glue on the alligator clip and stick the canvas piece as shown here. Join the flower to the clip as shown here. Now take the pearls and jewelry making metallic wire which is having the width 0.5 mm. Instead of metallic wire, you can take normal thread. For proper steadiness and stiffness purpose, here I am taking metallic wire. As shown here, attach the leaf to the flower with the help of glue gun. Now join the peacock feather with the help of the glue as shown here. Now join the two strings to the flower with the help of stitching as shown here. Similarly, attach the other side of the chain to the flower as shown here. As per your wish, you can add any decorative brooch pieces. Now beautiful peacock feather hair clip is ready. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming beautiful videos. Thanks for watching. Happy Krishnastami.